Podcast. We're in season 8, episode 8. Tonight is just me. I'm joined by Boostly Academy members. We had a little pre-show chat where we shared some little tactics and tips. And what I noticed today, I was walking around our property, walking around the farm here, and I spotted one of these. Now, hands up if you have got one of these in your property, in your B&B, in your hotel. Have you got one of these just laying around? Now, the reason why they do this is marketing on their front. They send it to you because they want you to put this up on your wall. They want you to show it off. They want you to have this in their eye line because it says at the top booking.com. It makes you feel good because you get that decent award, that decent number, that decent thing, so you can show it off. And again, I'm going to take an example that I saw a friend of mine, good friend of mine, Steve Kapandi from the Book Direct Symposium. He did this at the event when I was there in Greece, in Athens with him, and it was really powerful. And I think today, more than ever, if you've got one of these on your wall, if you've got one of these that is in your property, if you've got this on your website, if you show off about this, then here's what I want for you to do. Rip it up and throw it away. Because if they're going to treat us like that, why should we actively promote them in our properties? Now, there's going to be a lot of people that are on the end of this that are really going to reassess partnership with booking.com, partnerships with the OTAs, partnerships with these third parties. Now, I'm not advocating getting rid of them off your platform, because at the end of the day, they spend so much money. When all of this is over and the upturn is there, they are going to spend and heavily invest so much money in ads and ad spend to getting people back onto their